In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide a menu on your Shopify store. Whether you want to simplify your store layout or temporarily remove navigation links without deleting everything permanently, this quick guide will help you do it easily. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left sidebar and click Online Store. After that, select Navigation. This section contains all the menus currently active on your Shopify store. Now click on the menu you want to hide, such as your main menu or footer menu. Inside the menu settings, you can either remove specific menu items individually or temporarily hide the entire menu by disconnecting it from your theme settings. If you want to completely hide the menu from your storefront, go back to Online Store and click Customize. Inside the theme editor, open the header section. Here you can disable or hide the navigation menu depending on your Shopify theme options. After making your changes, click Save at the top right corner. Now refresh your storefront and the menu should no longer appear. And that's it. You've successfully hidden a menu on your Shopify store without permanently deleting your navigation setup. Thanks for watching.